The sugar mill in Longmont, Colorado has been a main feature of the Longmont skyline for the past 120 years. Although the city has changed, this feature remains the same. However, now this 110,000 square foot factory sits abandoned instead of being a staple of the local economy. In its heyday, this sugar mill was capable of producing over 1 million pounds of sugar per day and was the main employer for the city of Longmont for 74 years. This mill was so profitable that it was solely responsible for doubling the city's population. The initial cost of the plant was $1 million in 1903, which would be the equivalent of $29 million today. This was a massive investment into a town with a population of only 2,000 people at the time. Mill workers weren't the only people to benefit from the sugar mill. There were countless farmers, field workers, bars, and home builders who also enjoyed the economic benefits of this massive investment. However, the failure of the sugar mill wasn't due to a lack of work ethic or because of crop failures. It was two men from Texas that bought the company that owned the mill in the early 70s. After acquiring Great Western Sugar, the two men were trying to invest heavily into silver mining, which depleted the money needed to keep the sugar mill operational. This was the main death blow to the Longmont sugar mill. As it sits today, all the machinery is stopped, all the lights have gone out, and the voices of the workers have fallen silent. All that is left is a massive abandoned building that has become extremely dangerous. Asbestos dust is everywhere inside, stairs and walls are crumbling, and there are holes in the floors. One misstep, and you might find yourself falling several stories and getting impaled on some old machinery. It would not be hard to accidentally die in the Longmont sugar mill. The owners and local police take pretty significant steps to prevent people from going in here. Despite this, homeless people often seek refuge here, and people with spray paint like to, quote, redecorate. So, with all that said, I'll be uploading a full video walkthrough shortly. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to check out the walkthrough. Until next time, everyone.